You taste it too, babe.
You have a taste, man.
What do you think? It's good, right?
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
I'm proud of people. Return to life. We'll come back to that something I don't. That's over there. And that's everything there. So I'll put something together. I make two different types of sauce that use. One with milk.
Can you tell the people what you have, please?
A sauce of beef. Sauce. Crazy sauce.
Yeah, and where do you get them from?
Right next door to me, when you come home.
Okay.
Right out, I play with 2 sauce of cheese out there. I'll pick some sauce up and make some juice. And everything there. So I'm going to do something right now. You know what thing go? Round the way I swing go.
You're eating now.
Prepare them sauce up, you know.
Guys, when last did you have salsa? Much less salsa juice. I guess, especially for my people that live abroad, right? This is not something we get all the time. You can buy it. I think you can buy it, like in certain places, especially in London, but I think it's like kind of expensive. But here we just picked it off the tree. Yeah, see?
That's something you know. We are look at youth. They say if you pee bed, just eat one of this. And you stop this bed.
So did you ever try it?
No, I know.
Oh, so that means you didn't piss bed then?
You know something. I don't remember what something going on. I don't remember what something going. Never remember. You know what thing go? I don't know what I said.
When's the last time you had this, babe?
First I do?
Yeah.
I'm going for mommy last time.
Oh yes, yes. Yeah guys, it's on the country vlog. When we went to Outlaw's mum's house, yes. You're right. That was good.
What?
So you have to try and live up to that one.
I don't blame them
Because
now.
it tastes good, so I don't know if you can replicate it to make it taste as good as that.
And I blame them now.
But you're gonna try. So you're making 2 types, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
2 types.
What are the 2 types?
One with lime and sugar.
Lime and sugar, yeah.
Naturally.
I like that one. I like both of them, but I like that one.
Yeah. And the other one with milk.
Yeah.
You know, like what we stop making of that. Yeah. The flavor that one I said.
Yeah.
Stop making that one.
Okay.
The milk one, none at all good without something. Something happy in that one.
And by nutmeg, what do you mean? Not really understand that.
Something.
Nutmeg, people, nutmeg. When you say nutmeg, it means nutmeg.
You call that nothing? Not big something. Something on people. I put it together.
So what have you done? You have to explain.
Just put some water on it.
Okay.
Get some water on it and you know, get it away, yeah?
Yes.
And then you know we're going for strainer. But if you get that something out of it first. So the amount of
Oh.
the amount of pulp in this, we're going to do this about 2 or 3 times. To get out all the juice we want out of this. And juice still have left the same way. But you know the thing go? Now go so deep. That's
So this is a process.
Yes. That's something that you know.
People, the traditional way, the old-fashioned way, no blenders around here.
No.
I know sometimes we make things, especially like when we do coconut and we use coconut and stuff and we grate it and everything like that. People are like, oh, you know, you can use a blender. We know we can use a blender, but we just, you know, traditional.
That grater something there. You get the oil up on the grater and I get out the blender.
Yeah.
The aisle,
So,
you get the top of the grater.
we're going traditional way. We're going the traditional route.
Right? So when people see that, get a cup, you have to use the cup and take up a thing and get to the strainer. That's something that people. Something with people. Yes, remember the whole time something, yeah? Yeah, my babes. Yeah man, grassroots you say. The root of the thing, bro. Just right at the root of the thing, bro.
Show me what's left.
Yeah, so we're gonna put this now on the side there.
And do it again.
Then we're gonna do it again, you know? Yeah man.
Process.
Process.
Let's see what's in there, people. Let's see. See there?
Strong. We talk about strong sauce of Joe, see that? Thick. Originally, not name. I think not preservative, the real thing. Okay, that's it. That's what my people. We just forward.
So this is
Check out the
everything.
supplement.
This is
Yes.
everything you managed to get out of them, yeah?
Yeah, I still have more sauce of place, see my people.
Yeah.
But we get this time I go and like, sure, man. So we want to do everything. So, we're going to do it 2 different ways now. One with milk and one with sugar and lime. So this is actually full right now. We're going to show something like that.
So you poured them out, so this one.
Yeah. Natural, everything natural right now. But we're going to milk with this.
Milk in this one.
Yeah, milk and soap milk. And we're going to lime and sugar like this. 2 different blend.
Okay.
You know what thing go? Grassroots, we're going to grassroots thing, same way. You know how to drop it. Yes. What me I start with now? Soap milk. Soap milk. You know soap milk, man. Never drop it. I don't know what to swap it. Good old grater. Soap milk, we go.
Okay, you see that? That looks like enough.
Yeah, now go store my thing now. You have to put a blame on the thing. That's up, yeah. This is what I blame the thing with. This is what I make this is what I make a difference. That's up there.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Bring up the soap milk. Additional.
Oxygen.
So pigeon that now.
What next?
Make a 1 store. Tell you. Relax in the babes. So eat a look now for the soap pigeon. Then now. That's over there now.
Okay, what next?
We're going on the side there now. Good old condensed milk. Grassroots milk. Yeah.
Need some of that.
Watch me now. That's something in the people. Take the time to go. Get another store. These are your taste to these are.
Of course I'm going to taste it. Alright, what else?
This is not even if you want more something. That's all that. Small dash.
Vanilla.
Original. Small dash. It's a small vanilla. Small dash. You got chips tonight.
More.
Not more yet. Yeah, but 10 more I go on. See there and then thing. You don't make it
People. Babe, lift up the glass. Everybody.
Wait, you want this?
Lift up the glass. Guys, look at this is the taste it's making me taste. He didn't even pour it out, he spooned it. That's the taste you're making me taste. Alright, come, let me taste.
Wait,
I thought he was gonna pour me a glass.
not yet.
Alright,
Taste
okay.
percent, but you're easy. That's why I prepare more than me. Remember that?
It's good.
What do you mean?
Let Malachi taste it.
Malachi taste it. Good.
You taste it too, babe.
You have a taste, man.
What do you think? Tastes good, right? Yeah, man, tastes good.
You have a taste, man. That's what my taste is.
He doesn't, and this is the thing, he doesn't cook and taste or do make anything and taste. Not like me, I'll eat half the food and drink up half the drink when I'm doing anything. So I have to taste as I go along.
And that tastes right?
Yeah.
Like that. So good right this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that?
Just need to chill.
Yeah, you don't see now. There's a different book, you know.
Yeah, there it is, people. Alright.
One that's in the people. One down.
One down, one to go.
One more to go.
Alright.
Man has done prayers. You have a people. Next slide today, you know. You tell about sugar and lemon and all that. Start out with squeezing.
This is lime, people. This is lime. But they're small.
Yeah.
Put them there. They're small.
Smart. Another prayers. Another batch. So we go sugar and lime with that one.
But you put a lime in it already.
We don't put some lime in there, man. I go on good night business. Good. So we have got sugar now. Our cane sugar. Our cane.
Alright,
Sugar.
don't kill us off.
No, we don't go so. I'm not make food sugar again. I'm going to put sugar again. So that's sweet, you know it's going to go. You know, I think about some hour ago, people. You go one place where they go and make a 2-step and 2-dip and nearly get whipped. And I said, wow, it sounds like fire. So what piece of the thing here? You want to know which one to put it in here?
Guys, remember this vlog the other day?
You know what thing go?
Ramto?
Yeah. So I wonder which one to put it in here. Because we have the milk one and we have the sugar and lime one. So, you know tell me which one to put it in here? Yeah, alright, tell me which one to put it in here. Tell me what I go. But that's how we think go. I eat that, man.
So he's just tasted it.
I eat, man.
Sugar and lime, yeah.
I eat, man.
Yeah.
I eat that. No, people, tell me what I want to know. Which one would I put something in? The fire? What I eat that? Round everything there. Naturally. When I'm done prayers, remember, like, share and subscribe. What I look at the ads. That's how we think set up, man. We can't everything we go. Everywhere we go, we don't know what to buy. That's what we think there. Good time for that.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.